Title: Fascinating Facts about Moray Eel. Moray eel is a long, snake-like fish. And moray eel hides in coral reefs and rocky crevices. Moray eel has sharp teeth. And moray eel uses them to catch fish, octopus, and crustaceans. Moray eel can vary in color. And moray eel blends perfectly with coral and rocks to ambush prey. Moray eel has a slim, muscular body. And moray eel moves quickly through narrow spaces. Moray eel is mostly nocturnal. And moray eel hunts at night when fish are active. Moray eel has excellent vision. And moray eel detects prey even in dimly lit waters. Moray eel has a second set of jaws called pharyngeal jaws. And moray eel uses them to pull prey into its throat. Moray eel can reach lengths of up to 13 feet. And moray eel dominates its territory with stealth and strength. Moray eel is solitary. And moray eel defends its crevice from intruders. Moray eel fascinates divers. And moray eel is admired for its unique hunting methods and appearance. Moray eel lives in tropical and subtropical waters. And moray eel hides among rocks and corals for protection. Moray eel's skin is thick and slimy. And moray eel protects itself from injuries while moving in tight spaces. Moray eel feeds on fish, squid, and crustaceans. And moray eel strikes suddenly to catch prey. Moray eel has a powerful bite. And moray eel uses teeth to hold struggling prey securely. Moray eel can stay motionless for hours. And moray eel waits patiently for unsuspecting prey. Moray eel's head is elongated. And moray eel uses its narrow shape to enter small crevices. Moray eel has poor eyesight compared to smell. And moray eel relies heavily on scent to locate prey. Moray eel is aggressive when threatened. And moray eel strikes with speed and precision. Moray eel reproduces by releasing eggs into the water. And moray eel ensures the continuation of its species. Moray eel is a master ambush predator. And moray eel is perfectly adapted to reef environments. Moray eel has a dorsal fin running the length of its body. And moray eel uses it to stabilize while swimming. Moray eel can camouflage with coral. And moray eel avoids predators and surprises prey efficiently. Moray eel feeds mainly at night. And moray eel stalks prey silently before striking. Moray eel has strong muscles. And moray eel can twist and turn quickly in rocky crevices. Moray eel's jaws are powerful. And moray eel can tear prey into manageable pieces. Moray eel has sharp vision in low light. And moray eel hunts effectively in shadowed reefs. Moray eel is feared by smaller fish. And moray eel dominates its habitat with stealth. Moray eel is a solitary hunter. And moray eel avoids competition by staying hidden. Moray eel fascinates marine biologists. And moray eel provides insight into coral reef ecosystems. Moray eel has a flexible body. And moray eel navigates narrow spaces with ease. Moray eel can detect vibrations. And moray eel senses approaching prey or danger. Moray eel has a highly sensitive nose. And moray eel tracks food by smell. Moray eel sometimes hunts cooperatively with groupers. And moray eel shares hunting benefits in certain reef environments. Moray eel has a strong tail. And moray eel propels itself to strike at prey quickly. Moray eel can swallow large prey whole. And moray eel uses pharyngeal jaws to pull in difficult prey. Moray eel is adaptable. And moray eel survives in different reef systems around the world. Moray eel has a thick skin. And moray eel avoids injury while squeezing into rocks. Moray eel is mostly solitary. And moray eel only meets others during mating season. Moray eel's teeth are needle-like. And moray eel grips slippery fish effectively. Moray eel continues to amaze divers. And moray eel shows nature's efficiency in predation. Moray eel hides in reef holes. And moray eel surprises prey by sudden bursts of speed. Moray eel feeds on small fish, crabs, and octopus. And moray eel swallows prey using strong jaws. Moray eel has a camouflaged body. And moray eel avoids predators and ambushes unsuspecting prey. Moray eel reproduces externally. And moray eel releases eggs and sperm into the water. Moray eel has an elongated body. And moray eel can twist, coil, and extend to catch food. Moray eel is nocturnal. And moray eel hunts mostly at night for maximum efficiency. Moray eel fascinates underwater photographers. And moray eel shows the mysterious life of reefs. Moray eel has a streamlined shape. And moray eel can glide silently through narrow crevices. Moray eel strikes in a fraction of a second. And moray eel captures prey before it can escape. Moray eel's hunting style is effective. And moray eel dominates small reef fish populations. Moray eel's habitat ranges from shallow reefs to deeper rocky areas. And moray eel uses these environments for hiding and hunting. Moray eel is well camouflaged. And moray eel avoids attention from predators. Moray eel has a keen sense of smell. And moray eel detects prey even when hidden. Moray eel can bite quickly. And moray eel immobilizes fish before they escape. Moray eel is nocturnal. And moray eel spends the day resting in holes. Moray eel has pharyngeal jaws. And moray eel pulls prey into its throat efficiently. Moray eel is highly flexible. And moray eel maneuvers in coral reefs with ease. Moray eel is an ambush predator. And moray eel strikes only when the timing is perfect. Moray eel's teeth are curved backward. And moray eel prevents prey from escaping once caught. Moray eel is a fascinating creature. And moray eel plays an important role in coral reef food chains. Moray eel is usually solitary. And moray eel avoids conflicts with other eels. Moray eel hunts by wading in crevices. And moray eel captures prey that swims too close. Moray eel has an elongated body. And moray eel can reach several feet long depending on species. Moray eel has sharp teeth. And moray eel bites with precision. Moray eel relies on stealth. And moray eel waits quietly for hours before striking. Moray eel reproduces in the water. And moray eel ensures species continuation. Moray eel is agile. And moray eel moves smoothly among coral and rocks. Moray eel feeds on fish, squid, and crustaceans. And moray eel keeps prey populations balanced. Moray eel fascinates scientists. And moray eel demonstrates evolution's efficiency. Moray eel continues to be a mystery. And moray eel shows how predators thrive in coral reef ecosystems. Moray eel uses its body to squeeze into tight spaces. And moray eel hides while waiting for prey. Moray eel strikes fast. And moray eel captures fish with lightning speed. Moray eel has a second set of jaws. And moray eel pulls prey in efficiently. Moray eel swims mostly at night. And moray eel hunts when prey is most active. Moray eel blends perfectly with the reef. And moray eel avoids detection by predators. Moray eel has a flexible, muscular body. And moray eel navigates rocks easily. Moray eel eats fish and crustaceans. And moray eel crushes shells with strong teeth. Moray eel reproduces externally. And moray eel ensures young are released in safe environments. Moray eel is a top reef predator. And moray eel influences local fish populations. Moray eel fascinates divers. And moray eel shows the hidden life of coral reefs. Moray eel is camouflaged perfectly. And moray eel waits patiently for prey. Moray eel strikes in seconds. And moray eel captures unsuspecting fish and crustaceans. Moray eel's teeth are sharp. And moray eel prevents prey from escaping. Moray eel is nocturnal. And moray eel hunts mostly at night. Moray eel hides in rocks and coral. And moray eel avoids predators efficiently. Moray eel has a long, slim body. And moray eel moves gracefully in narrow spaces. Moray eel fascinates marine biologists. And moray eel is studied for predatory skills. Moray eel feeds on fish and crustaceans. And moray eel maintains balance in the reef ecosystem. Moray eel reproduces by releasing eggs. And moray eel ensures continuation of its species. Moray eel is a mysterious hunter. And moray eel thrives in coral reef habitats.